started by using my tape measure to take the measurements of the hem area. As you can see, it was around 18 inches, so I made a mark at 5 inches from the side seam. You can see me counting 5 inches from the other side seam because I suck at simple math. Yo, math ain't my cup of tea. This is me using my finger to outline my desired shape. FYI, I don't even know the shape's name, but I think it's Quavo. Let me know the shape in the comment section down below. Anyways, I used my pen and drew the shape so that I could have an easy time cutting it out. I pinned down the area, and because I'm as poor as a church mouse and I don't even own myself a sewing machine, I instead made use of my hot thread and a needle to stitch the area. Since the material I had cut out was small and couldn't make the robe in quotes I wanted, I grabbed a spare part of a material I had left after making a crop top and cut out the size of the robe I wanted.
What's wrong with me? Where should I be?
Afterwards, I pinned one side using a pin, which made it easier for me to pass it through the casing. When doing this, take your time if you have it, but if you don't, take your time too. You have to take your time, sis, when doing everything. After all that, I shashed it out evenly and then made a knot. And there you have it, sisters, a backless top that you can rock and slay in. I hope the video was fun and informative. If you at least enjoyed it, even the tiniest bit, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and please subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.